Hello, welcome to another edition of the Savvy Money Show with me, your host, Sean. Today we're discussing Tesla and their competitors in China. People usually laugh when you speak about Tesla having competitors. After all, look at how the share price has shot up. We'll be looking at the good and the bad, and you have people on both sides who think that Tesla's going to just keep going up and up, and you have the ones who think it's well overpriced, including the CEO himself. Now, as you can see, Tesla isn't just a car company. They're in software, they're in the solar panels, Powerwall, and the accessories. Now, not only are they taking batteries from Panasonic, which are going to hurt Panasonic, they are also going to increase the range of their own batteries. On top of that, with their plant, in the last 5 years, the front of their car has gone from 26 moving parts to 1 moving part, which makes it easier and quicker to manufacture, not to mention cheaper. Now, that's amazing. And when you think about the profit margin, how it's crept up from 18% to 20% the last couple of years, and now 25%. It's quite something. They really are an exciting company, and there is no one who can deny that they are the future. The problem is, as an investor, when you look at their balance sheet, it doesn't look too good. I'm usually a value investor, and when I look at the value of the company, I've had some people break down the value of the company and say to me, but I think their shares are worth $9 a share, and that's without this. And when I've broke it down, it didn't come out. So I haven't touched the shares, not until recently when it dropped below $7 a share. And then I picked up 1 share just to test, to see what it's like, how it moves, and it's gone up since I bought it. It went down because hedge fund manager questioned the accounting of Tesla, and that dropped it some. And then the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, he said they were overpriced. So when your own CEO says your company's overpriced, the market has to listen. But you have to expect a bright future. Now we look at their Chinese competitors. We will have a quick look at one who really isn't a competitor. Is when you look at them on paper, they have a huge market cap, 3.4 billion, whereas if we go back to Tesla, their market cap is 130 billion. So really, their market cap is nothing to them. But when you look at their balance sheet, they really are are doing bad. You know, they have their debt to assets is 143%. Their net income is losing £11 billion from last year, which means its profit margin is minus 145%. And while Tesla are closing the gap to get it closer to profit year on year, they made a small profit this year. I thought they would have made a £200,000 to 200 million. Sorry, a £200 million loss, but they surprised me. The thing about NIO is they have one thing that Tesla does not. Now, it has switchable batteries. They have a compact car, like a smart car, but you see this here. They have these over China. You drive your car in 6 minutes, they switch the battery out from underneath you. So you don't have to worry about charging up your battery, how long it takes to charge it up. This contraption takes the battery out from underneath you and pulls it away and puts a new one straight in 6 minutes. And they're talking about upgrading up to 3 minutes by the end of the year. Now, that is a technology that Tesla has tried and failed to develop. So when this company has successfully developed something that Tesla and Elon Musk couldn't, they're not a competitor. It makes you wonder if they will be an acquisition target of Tesla in the future once they do become a profitable company. That's just my opinion. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything you hear in this video is meant for entertainment use purposes only. Do not buy, sell or hold any stocks on anything that's posted in this video, and do not invest anything that you can't afford to lose. Now, their main competitor in China is called the X Pen. Now, it looks like this. It's a super long range smart sedan. Now, it's high performance 3-in-1 electric drive system. It's the longest driving range EV in China of 706 kilometers. All these are world's first this, world's first that. Autonomous driving system, 12 ultrasonic sensors, world's first intelligent full scenario voice interactive system, and fast charging to 80% as fast as 28 minutes. It almost sounds like it's what Tesla looking to be in a year or two, and you could be forgiven for thinking it is Tesla in a year or two. Even more when you look at the news in China regarding this company and Tesla, because it seems they're in a legal battle. Apparently Tesla are suing XPeng for stealing some of their technology and for one of their past workers going to XPeng and taking some of their secrets with them. Now, you have to wonder how successful that will be with the growing frustrations with it. Yeah. You also have to wonder if Elon Musk coming out and saying that Tesla is overpriced is frustration over this, like one of his old staff taking secrets over to China and actually building what he's been trying to build for years quicker than him, mounted on top of the stress of the lockdown as well, and just seems to pull away the red carpet from under him of his success from this year, because it has been a success for him when you consider all the other motor companies have had terrible failures. Well, I still think there's a bright future ahead for Tesla. I also think unless Tesla stock drops any further, I won't be investing any more in it. It was purely to keep a check on it, and if it does go up, I have a share in it, even if it's only one. If it doesn't, I only had the one share in it anyway. At the moment, it's up on what I put in it. Anyway, I'm wondering what your thoughts are on Tesla. If you learned something from today, then please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, or comment in comments box below and let me know. I'm now at 5 subscribers, which, considering I only started a few days ago, is and the amount of views my videos have got, I'm really surprised, and it's all down to you guys, and I want to thank you. And if you haven't signed up for a free trading platform yet to buy your Tesla stock or your NIO stock, and I don't have NIO yet, but I am keeping an eye on them. They just have too much debt at the moment, and it will be a while before Tesla do acquire them, so I don't know if they're going to survive that long. Now, then see the links below to get your 1 free share with Trading 212, Freetrade, or stake. Anyway, keep safe, keep savvy, and keep investing. Look after yourself. Bye bye.